My name is Eric Collard and I'm the marketing director at ThinkTube. At ThinkTube, our main challenges are to generate growth because we're a startup brand which sells 100% online. So we have a website and we have to generate traffic on our website and make sure to make them convert. So it's all about launching a brand and make it grow. Turko helped to just kind of build our digital marketing strategy to make sure that we generate traffic on our website. So it was all about researching, planning. They are a human agency. So you work with the person that has done the strategy and that works on your account. It was very helpful and I would really recommend Turko.